to the channel, Foodies. Today we're going to be making banana French toast. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going to start by preheating our oven to 400 degrees. Then we're going to place a couple bananas in there for 10 minutes. Once they're done, they're not going to look the best, but don't worry about it. This draws the sugar out. Next, we're going to cut and peel the banana. Now, before doing this part, you're supposed to let it cool. We didn't for the sake of the video, but it's all right. Also, you want to make sure you're using fresh bananas. But it just gives it that bolder banana taste to it. Told you it was hot. Again, one more reminder to let these bad boys cool down. Look at this steam. So then we're going to place our bananas into the blender to get ready to make our puree. Also guys, some of you may be wondering why we're only using 2 bananas, and the reason for that is because anything more than 2 in your batter would be really thick, so you just want to use 2 bananas. Alright, and now we're going to add in a little bit of milk as well to this. Next, we want to blend the bananas and the milk until we get a smooth consistency, kind of like pudding. Alright, now it's time to get our batter finished. First, we're going to add 2 eggs to the puree. Next, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of milk. Now, the next couple ingredients, you're just going to kind of add to your liking. So first, we're going to add a little bit of cinnamon. Then, we're going to add ground nutmeg to it, just a couple of dashes. And we're going to sweeten it up just a little bit more with a little bit of cinnamon sugar. Just, again, a couple little dashes to it. Then we're going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright, now once we've done all of that, we're just going to take our whisk and we're just going to whisk it all together. Probably about 2 to 3 minutes. And once it's done, you're going to have something that looks like this. And so once you get this, we are ready to dip. So next, I heated my griddle to 200 degrees and add a little bit of butter on it. Then we're going to dip the bread into the batter. Now we want to make sure we get a good coating on both sides of it. Then we're going to put them on our griddle. And so once you put them on the griddle, you just want to kind of make sure that you're getting that nice golden brown consistency on them, so they don't have to grill too long on each side. I would say maybe about 3 minutes on each side, just until you get that golden brown coating on them. And once you let them griddle for about 3 minutes, then you'll be ready to flip them over. Alright, so now once we flip them over, you see that golden brown crust on them. That is what you want right there. These things look so good. And it's the same on the other side. Just let them griddle for about 2-3 minutes. That's it. That's all you need. Finally, once they're done, it is time to plate. So we're just going to put them on a plate. We added a little bit of powdered sugar on them. Just not too much, just to give them a little bit more sweetness in there. So we sprinkled a little bit of powdered sugar on those bad boys. And then to top it off, we're going to add a couple slices of fresh banana. And now some of you may be wondering, oh, we didn't put syrup on it. Don't worry, we use syrup. Alright, and there you have banana French toast. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.